Hello and welcome to this flexible extension training video for your phone and tablet. If you are interested in learning about using the flexible extension app on your computer or laptop, there's a link to a separate video for that in the description below. Let's get started by opening the app on our tablet and smartphone. First off, let's make a call. If you know the number you want to call, press the phone button at the bottom of the screen, and then press the green keypad icon to open the keypad. Dial the number you want to call. Now let's answer an incoming call. Notice that when a call comes in, it will come in on all devices you have connected to that line. To answer an incoming call, slide the answer bar to the right. Or on a tablet, press the Accept button. To put a call on hold, press the Hold button while on a call. To remove the call from hold, press it again. Now let's manage your contacts. Press the Contacts button at the bottom of the screen to bring up your list of contacts. Note that any changes you make to your contacts will be made across all devices associated with that line. To add a contact, press the green plus button. Enter the contact information and then press Save. The contact will now be visible in your contacts list. To delete a contact, press the name of the contact you'd like to delete. Press the menu icon in the upper right-hand corner. Select Delete Contact. If you're sure you'd like to delete, press OK on the pop-up screen. That contact will now be removed from your contacts list. To edit a contact, press the name of the contact and then the Edit button. Edit the contact information and press Save. Now let's manage your incoming calls. Click on the gear icon to open your settings. Click on Call Manager. You can set yourself to either Available to receive calls or Do Not Disturb to send calls to voicemail. Here you can also set up a forwarding number if you want your incoming calls to forward to a cell or colleague's phone. Now let's check your voicemail. To set up your voicemail, press star 98 and follow the prompts to record your name, greeting, and to change your PIN. To check your voicemail, press the Phone button and then go to the Voicemail tab. You will see a list of your current voicemails here. Press play to listen to your voicemail. You can call them back by pressing the Call button. Press the More button to add the caller as a contact, mark as unheard, delete the message, or forward it.